am the best. With that take a hold that take, don't hit your motherfucking neck. End of the day, niggas is dying in the train, dressed up like Halloween. What the fuck that mean? Can somebody explain to me? Like I am next. Which nigga trying to take a nigga out tech? And I'm taking that nigga, you gon' be let a step. Niggas getting stabbed and shit. What the fuck is that? Then my niggas ask me, did you hear about that? I'm like, nah, man, I was at work working in the kitchen, cooking chickens, washing dishes, and doing shit like I'd like to do and make some money, bitch. But none of you niggas can keep up with half of the shit that I done did. Go ahead and tell the kids what's really happening when a nigga is out in the streets late at night and it's dark and all you see is street lights. And if it's raining and they got lightning, I go fly a kite. It's like you riding on a bike and a car pull up on the side and roll over you and get a right. Now you're drunk, police trying to reach your rights, nigga. That's another DUI, DWI on sight. I'm praying for Jamie Foxx to make it out that hospital right now, cause I'm trying to see the next 30 and 40 movies that come out. Nigga, I'm smoking so much, I'm starting to see purple Oompa Loompas and shit. What the fuck is that about? My mental strain is so gone, it's insane. These niggas look at me, but I'm catching a train. Jump on a plane, they think I'm so insane, but I am. And I'm the nigga on the last mission of Mars, let's go. I got millions in crypto, I got hella money inside of my motherfucking pinto, because I sell that real good dope. It have you cutting up, telling jokes, and cutting up some damn artichokes. I fucked your bitch pussy, this ain't no joke. You know it, when I got inside, I was super soaked. I probably pissed inside that booty hole. I can't really fucking remember, that was about 10 years ago. Nigga, catch you outside in the dark, lacking, click clacking, I'm look like King Bomb on a track. It's 3 AM outside and you know what's fucking happening. Walk up behind you, the gun go click click clacking. No light outside and I'm blacking. This the part on the TV when you need to put on the closed caption, so you can read the subtitles to see what's happening. I'm out here killing niggas, they still nap. When they wake up, they hands in the air, screaming out clap. While I'm fucking this dyke backing, while she screaming out, hey, I only like fucking black men. While I got the controller in my hand, I'm still playing tag. About a year ago, I got some head from a Mexican. She say my dick tastes good, so she macking. And I ain't talking no Macintosh, but my money is still stacking. I know about the clones, cause I'm still hacking. The government can never catch a nigga, cause I'm never fucking lacking. And if they ever coming after me, they gon' bring the fucking passport. Then they walk in and my goons start attacking. The earth don't move, they got your mind lacking. You don't know about the real knowledge, they got your mind hacked, man. We all under hypnosis and you know they clacking. Every motherfucker out here hate a black man. Low key, y'all know I ain't lying. Y'all might say y'all love us, but y'all don't care if we dying. Every day in the train or on a fucking TV plane or a station, it don't matter where we at, y'all across the whole nation. Fucked up ass.